Minnesota Governor Tim Walz says the state wants to make it as easy as possible to vaccinate younger kids against COVID-19.
We're combining safety, speed, and equity, and that's taking vaccines to where kids are, and whether it be their local pharmacy, whether it be the Mall of America, whether it be with their pediatrician, or the one that makes a lot of sense to many of us, at their child's school.
The governor spoke at Brooklyn Center Elementary School today, which is one of 1,100 sites hosting vaccine clinics statewide. The CDC approved the low-dose Pfizer shot for children earlier this week. Today is the second day that those vaccines are being distributed. St. Paul schools will start offering vaccine clinics in just about 2 weeks.
The shots will be available for all students ages 5 to 11, and as Liz Collin reports, the goal of the clinics is to make the shots accessible for all.
Today is a great day for us to celebrate.
And many in St. Paul are celebrating. Health officials say the news of an approved Pfizer vaccine for elementary-aged kids couldn't come soon enough.
It will also reduce disruptions to in-person learning and the need for quarantining large numbers of students.
There's nothing that's been more troubling this fall as we've come back to school is telling an entire class that they have to go online for 2 weeks and weather that quarantine period.
St. Paul Public Schools will offer vaccine clinics at 2 of their elementary schools starting the week of November 15th.
Appointments are required for all first dose clinics and can be made online through St. Paul Ramsey County Public Health.
And an appointment is all you need.
There is no cost for the vaccine. People do not need to provide a government-issued ID or medical insurance, and no questions regarding immigration status will be asked.
The goal of these clinics is access and equity.
In an equity mindset from an equity community, we need to make sure that we're removing barriers, things like language, transportation, access, insurance, immigration status.
All here agree the most important thing is keeping our kids safe.
I know getting a vaccine can be scary to them, but having your child get COVID would be a lot worse.
The dose for 5 to 11-year-olds is 1/3 of that of an adult. Studies show it was 90% effective in kids.
It's okay to have questions. I want to stress that to parents about the COVID-19 vaccine for your child. If you do, I encourage you to talk with a healthcare provider you trust.
In St. Paul, Liz Collin, WCCO 4 News.
And here's a closer look at where those clinics will be. You can make an appointment to go to Como Park or Battle Creek Elementary School. Shots will be offered Mondays and Tuesdays, November 15th through the 30th from 3 until 6 p.m. Ramsey County will also be offering doses of the Pfizer vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11 at its community sites and pop-up clinics starting November 10th. There are no doses available for this week.